This meditation is brought to you by Fe Pacheco, creator of the ScalarPrana Method. Copyright 2024.
Gently close your eyes. Be aware of your breathing. If you are a ScalarPrana practitioner, do your scalar breathing and create your ball of life. If you are not, I am sending you scalar energy. Inhale deeply and expand your consciousness. Exhale slowly. Release any tension. And quiet your mind. Be still. In this stillness, thank the Supreme Being for divine blessings, for surrounding and embracing you with light, love, and wisdom. Inhale. Feel the energy moving gently through you, bringing a sense of calm and clarity. Exhale. Let yourself soften completely, settling into the present moment with an open heart. Softly expand your awareness to include the vast open space beyond the physical form. Although it may appear empty, this space is full of potential. It is the formless essence from which all creation emerges. Allow yourself to embrace the vastness of this space. This pure, boundless emptiness as it extends infinitely around and within you. Observe how in this stillness, even your thoughts emerge and dissolve like ripples on a still pond. This space, this fundamental essence of existence, brims with possibility. Nothing is solid or fixed here. Everything flows, emerges, and fades away, like waves in an infinite ocean of pure potential. Inhale. Feel the freedom within this formlessness. Exhale. Let go of any attachments to structure or form, allowing any resistance to melt away. Feel the formless nature of creation and spacious emptiness within you, a constant source of infinite possibilities. It is the source from which you and all things arise. It contains every breath, every moment of life. Rest in this awareness. Feel the stillness of your existence, the formless foundation that supports you. Recognize that you are not just a formless essence, but also a uniquely formed expression of this boundless energy. You embody the vastness of space and the uniqueness of form. The emptiness and the life that inhabits it. You are the embodiment of potential, the expression of infinite awareness, the essence of living presence. With every breath, experience the connection between formlessness and form within. Inhale, exhale. Honor both aspects of your existence, the formless and the formed, and feel this truth. You are the infinite and the finite, the boundless and the embodied, the body and the soul. As you embrace this awareness, feel gratitude for the sacred balance within you. Inhale, exhale. Gently open your eyes when you are ready. Feel the energy of creation flowing within you. And seal this sacred awareness and energy inside your being. Express gratitude to the Supreme Being for this moment, the union of the formless and the formed within. Inhale, exhale. Be aware of your energy field and seal the energy. With love and gratitude, in full faith, so be it, and so it is.